So as we know, visibility without context just exacerbates alert fatigue. How do we confidently block a domain that's never been used in an attack? Well, we utilize predictive risk scoring. This is not new to DomainTools. We've been doing predictive risk scoring for a long time. Really what is new here is that now we can do it in real time. We predict the domain risk as a dynamic value from 0 to 100. And there's really kind of two rigorous methodologies that we used. One is called threat profile. We use an ensemble of machine learning classifiers trained to detect really the intrinsic attributes of the domain and how it's been registered and how it's being hosted, infrastructure connected to it, to identify whether that domain is likely to be used for phishing, malware, or spam campaigns. Second kind of methodology that we apply in our risk scoring is what we call proximity. This is really kind of a guilt by association measure. So if a newly registered domain, maybe seemingly innocent, is hosted on the same IP subnet as 50 known malware domains and shares an identical SSL cert subject hash, that proximity score might spike. So we generate those scores within minutes of discovering a new domain or discovering a new life cycle of the domain. Maybe the domain has changed ownership, then we'll rescore that domain as quickly as possible. And if that domain score is high, you don't need to wait for a malware payload to drop. You can assume that there is malicious intent there, and that's sufficient to initiate some defensive action.